Okay, now we go to next tangent graph. So this is tangent graph. As I mentioned earlier, neglect this part. Okay, so nampak, okay, tiba-tiba, okay, for tangent graph ada extra benda satu. What is it? Kita panggil asymptote. That you already learn, asymptote that you already learn while you sketching the log and indices graph. Okay, so why, okay, so why is as this nanti dulu. Okay, the special thing about the graph of tangent, it doesn't have amplitude, because the shapes will not be limited by the maximum or minimum value. It's just we no need to draw it until infinity. Okay, we stop over there, but it not but this is not the amplitude. Okay, so I go to the graph. Okay, I sketch to you the first graph. Okay, okay, so okay, so as I mentioned, kita tambah dengan amplitude, kita tambah dengan asymptote, sorry, the asymptote, where the asymptote lies, kita akan pergi lies dekat 90 degree. Okay, dekat 180 degree, kita letak asymptote ni dekat 270 and 360 degree. Okay, why kena ada asymptote? Okay, because of this, I show to you. Okay, what is tangent x defined? Tangent x defined as x sin x over cos x. So, example, if I say tangent 45, it's meaning that sin 45 over cos 45 degree. Then when you press calculator, cos 45 degree, you have a value. So that is equals to 0.7 something. Okay, but okay, as I mentioned here, so the asymptote here meaning that, okay, we start from this 90 degree or pi over 2, 180 degree, 270 degree, 360 degree. Okay, so if I put, okay, if I put tangent 90 degree, okay, so it meaning that sine 19 degree over cos 19 degree. So when you calculate by using calculator, cos 19 degree is 0 and sine 19 degree is 1. So 1 over 0 is undefined situation. So meaning that the value tangent 19 is does not exist here. Okay, does not exist. Okay, does not exist. Because of that, the tangent graph won't ever touch, okay, 19 degree value. Okay, it won't touch. Okay, so what about 180? 180, if you press calculator, you just press by knowing that cos 180, cos 180, is it exist? Yes, it's equal to -1. Okay, sin 180, cikgu, sin 180 is 0. Is it undefined? No. Undefined situation is only when the denominator is 0. Numerator 0 divided by -1 is 0. So it's touch, not 180. Okay, point. Okay, so the graph, so we know that, okay, we know that here the tangent graph won't touch. Okay, here is won't touch, here it touch, here it doesn't touch. You can try it, here will touch. Okay, so basically the shapes of sine is just like this. You start from here, go close the 90 degree point, 90 degree value asymptote, but it doesn't touch. Okay, and here, and start from the bottom and go to the here, 0 is touch, and then go here, it doesn't touch. Okay, then start from 0 here. Okay, so that is the tangent graph. okay, like this. Okay, so not uh, if if cosine graph, you look at the shapes, it doesn't repeat. Okay, it doesn't repeat. Okay, same to sine graph, is also doesn't repeat at any, is up here, down, then this different shapes. Okay, because of that, okay, because of that, to find the period, okay, so I add a new thing. Okay, not a new thing because I already told you. Okay, period, to get a period for sine and for sine and cos graph, it is 2 pi divided by b. What is b? The value b that you get here, divided by b here, that is 1 over 2 and so on. Okay, but for tangent graph, how to get the period? The period is different, is pi over b. Why? Because the shape is repeated. Look here, look at my cursor. Okay, then here still not repeated, but again after pi, after 180 degree is repeated. So the different thing about the tangent graph is doesn't have asymptote, but we no need to draw it until infinity. It has asymptote. Okay, sorry, it doesn't have amplitude. Okay, it does have asymptote. Okay, it doesn't touch 19 degree to 117 degree. In the case of the basic graph lah, tangent, as if the graph is different, so the asymptote is different. Okay, but no need to worry about that. As I say, it's easy. Okay, then another thing is it doesn't the period is repeated after pi. So remember how to get the period. The sine is, for sine and cos is 2 pi over b, but for tangent is pi over b. Okay, so for now I stop over there. Then we will draw a graph, sketch the graph.